everyone. Welcome to the side porch of Amber Marie Manor. So excited to have this brand new, beautiful manor to decorate. We want you to come along for the ride because we've got so many things we're going to do. But today, we are going to restyle the side porch.
One of our favorite parts of the house, these beautiful swings that were built by hand by the previous owners and hung here, and it's just truly magical.
We're so happy for you to come with us on this journey to restyle this 100-year-old manor. It is so beautiful and it's empty, and we are taking you along with us as we build the manor.
This is one of our favorite parts of the home. I can only imagine how many conversations throughout the year have been held. Business deals made, maybe oil deals, you never know. It is Tulsa, Oklahoma.
And the guy who started the Skelly Oil Company lived right next door.
You just want to stay here and swing and dream. Hi!
And take a nap.
I know, except for when Amber Marie people see that we're out here, they honk every time. It's so funny. So we have new neighbors here, and we don't even know them, but everybody knows this is Amber Marie Manor, so they love to honk.
Yes, they do.
In a way.
Yes. Hello.
So, yeah, hi friends. So if you're driving by and you see us doing a video, make sure you honk, but honk 3 times because that's how we know it's y'all and not just someone honking at something random. Okay, so beep beep beep, and we'll know it's you.
Right.
All right, so join us. Here it is, the side patio makeover edition of Amber Marie Manor. And we just talked about iced tea, about having a glass of iced tea. So we want to know, the question of the video is, do you like your tea sweet or unsweet? Leave us a comment and let us know. All right, here we go. Shall we get to decorating?
Yes, let's get to it.
Okay.
We're going to take off the old cover. It's been very nice, but it's time for a redo. And we want to have something very patriotic out there. So we ordered this gorgeous navy. Look at this. Navy cover with white piping on it. Is that going to be gorgeous out here? Let's get ready to take off the old and put on the new.
She's smiling and laughing. She likes that too much. Just squeezing it and forcing air into that pillow. Start getting it to beef up a little bit.
Come on.
Mom is spanking it. This video is not made for kids.
Maybe it should be. This is what's
Bad
going to
kid.
happen to you.
Oh. Spank it. Spank that pillow.
Just be glad I don't spank you like this.
You have. I have suffered a spanking or two. All right, here you go. Bolstered. Let's see if that fits. That's going to be... When I saw the shape of these pillows, I was like, okay, we'll see. Boom. One lumpy pillow. This is how I have to get into my jeans.
That's right. That's how we got into our jeans back in the day. Come on, baby.
I don't know if it's going to work, Jerry. All right. Lay down and suck in.
Suck it in, Buttercup. Here we go.
Oh! Woo! A little misshapen.
But it'll
Did
work.
we get the tummy tuck ones here?
Yes, that one's good, though.
Well, I just gotta beat it into shape here. There we go. This is like surgery. Home decor, side porch patio, surgery. Fluff. Then we fluff. It's not done till it's overdone.
That's right.
But first we start, then we fluff. Okay, here we go.
We've got the covers on the swings, and I think they look great. But we need to keep going. Let's add some pillows and some other little touches. It's our nation's birthday. Let's have a birthday party for the USA on the porch.
They're just little finishing touches that we did that just make it the most patriotic patio on the planet. Are you ready? Let's check them out. First things first, pillows. Check out these cute pillows that we put on here. They're indoor-outdoor pillows, and they are so beautiful. They have bright colors. We love them, especially because sometimes they're even mixed with some silver or some gold accents, and I feel like that just gives it an extra little pop. especially this cute little check pillow. It has this really fun check design and it has some silver foil, and it just really makes this pillow something special, unique, and different. And let's talk about adding a lumbar pillow. I like to add lumbar pillows right here in the middle, and especially when they're shaped like something, for example, a flag. How cute is this patriotic lumbar pillow? And it just looks so good sitting right there in the middle of all the stars. One of my favorite additions to our little side patio here for our patriotic summer here at Amber Marie Manor are these really cool side hanging porch banners. I just love them. We hung them on a column on each side of our porch. I just want you to take a look at how cool these are. You know what, Mom, I love about this patio? Tulsa has a huge fireworks show just right behind us on the river. And how fun is that going to be watching the fireworks from this porch? You get to swing or rock, which is one of your favorite things to do. Lay back and enjoy an Oklahoma breeze and watch those 4th of July fireworks just light up the night. This is truly a magical space, and I think we did a great job with our little mini makeover.
I just love it. Tell me what you think.